Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's Trend of the Week video. You can't trade random volatility. When I'm in my trader mode, I like volatility. I like predictable volatility. I like volatility that you can see coming, because that's where you can put your bets down. What we're seeing now, however, is what I would call random volatility, which makes it really hard to trade and make a profit. It's almost like you're playing volatility whack-a-mole. This is a short-term chart, 5 days, for one of my favorite U.S. oil and gas, mostly oil producers, Pioneer Natural Resources. Now, what you can see here is just the incredible intraday volatility. Why is this going on? Well, there's fear about a recession. There's speculation about increased production from Saudi Arabia, whatever. I basically say this is being driven by people saying, hey, it's a high price, we'll drive it lower, make a profit, and then when it's lower, we'll drive it back up and make a profit on the upside. I think this is short-term trading being driven by other traders. Now, to give you an example of what I mean, on the 17th, we had an 8.1% drop at the end of day in Pioneer. On that same day, we had 11% gain in Plug Power. This is a company that's in the hydrogen market for fuel cells that can go into things like forklifts, and they make hydrolyzers and all that. Any news on the stock? Not that I can find. I can make an argument for why this is. There's increasing understanding that one of the things that oil companies is actually owners of big, massively engineered infrastructure systems, and they may not have the ability to pump oil and gas through those systems anymore, but they've still got the infrastructure. So if they could find an alternative that's a green fuel that they could put through that system, they would be able to continue to make money out of that system. Hydrogen, which can be turned into a liquid, pumped through pipelines, fits that bill very well. And you've had big investments in hydrogen projects. Australia is a great site, and you've had investments from BP. Shell says they're going to do this. Chevron looks like it's going to do this. I've seen everyone say this except Exxon. So that can explain why this stock has gone from there to there, and it's really a hot one. But it doesn't explain why on that same day you got a big gain in some pretty obscure biotech stocks. Vaxart, which has been making a COVID vaccine pill for a long time now. If the platform works, it can be used to make oral vaccines for all kinds of things, respiratory diseases. Well, Vaxart was up that day on no news but speculation about what the FDA might be going to do down the road. Went up about 26% that day. Okay, fast forward to the 22nd, PXD back down. What I say is if you catch one of the moles at the right time and whack it and make a profit, God bless. I just don't think you can predict where the moles are going to pop up. And I'm going to look at the last chart is American Airlines. What we're seeing, this is a 5-day, what we're seeing is sort of up, back down, and then up again, back down and up. And what I basically say looking at this chart is that the ups are being driven by the downs and vice versa. That you get a rally up to here and someone goes, oh, okay, that's near the top of the range, let's sell it down. And then it's near the bottom of the range and we'll sell it up. This is all intraday. And I think you know, if you're a trader and again, you catch these moves, you can make good money. I'm just saying it's very hard to predict actually what's going on here with any degree of profitability ahead of time. So what I'm saying is that it's a trading market with lots of volatility. It's just very hard to trade this volatility. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do. If you want more of me, and of course you must, you can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com, 3 portfolios, or you can go to my paid site, jubakam.com. That's got 6 portfolios, including some options and some ETFs and some hedging for this market. Thanks very much for watching.